So into last class only we did similarity of set, and then before that matching conditions with numbers. So idella all those topics question pattern different ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, but the main basis ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is all dependent on number series, correct? All topics ಅಲ್ಲಿ question pattern different ಇತ್ತು, but number series we used number series concepts in all of them. Correct. So ivattu topic it is called number relations. So even this it is similar, andre even for this you need number series, you need to have an idea of all that. So the topic is called number relations. Okay, so this is also same as number series or similarity in set. Atara. So same thing, even here numbers will be given. ನೀವು seeing those numbers, you should try to understand what is the relation, okay? And based on that relation, you should give the answer. So the question pattern, I'll show how it is. So I'll take one example and let you know pattern how it is. So 3 rows of numbers irutte, okay? So first 2 numbers will be written like this. Bracket alli third number will be written. Okay, this is the first row. Same ee tara one more row will be given. Okay, 4, 5 and in bracket 41. Okay, so this is the second row. Third row alli first 2 numbers irutte. Here there is a question mark. Okay, so illi what is the meaning? This type of pattern alli 3 rows will be given. Okay, do you see 3 rows here, everyone? There are 3 rows of numbers. First row, each row alli 3 numbers. So first row andre in this row there are 2 numbers given, matte bracket alli one more number will be given. Okay, same pattern even in the second row. Andre this is the second row. Even here nodi first 2 numbers are given 4, 5. Third number bracket alli irutte. Okay, third row alli 2 numbers will be given and place alli question mark irutte. So what should we do? Illi first 2 rows alli nodidre these 2 numbers, using some relation, e number bracket alli whatever number is given a number barutte. Okay, using these 2 and 3. So same relation next row alli same relation will be used even here. Suppose I'll give an example, simple example. Okay. Okay, ಈ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Now see, using first 2 numbers, using some relation, ಈ bracket ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 answer ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Using the same relation, bracket ಅಲ್ಲಿ 7 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So ಅದೇ relation use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು and you should find what comes in the place of question mark. Can you try this question? This is simple, straightforward. ಇಲ್ಲಿ relation ಏನು? Now what should I do for 1 and
6?
Yes, question mark place ಅಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Why? Because it is simple addition. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 and 4. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ relation ಏನು? Addition. Okay, here the relation used is addition. So same relation ನೀವು just check ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So that is why this second row is used. Okay, ನೀವು second row just relation correct or not check ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ you can use the second row. So now 1 plus 2 is 3. What is 3 plus 4?
7.
7. So relation is correct. Okay, so both first 2 rows only, if it's matching the bracket answer, then your relation is correct. So ivaga using the same relation, ಈ question mark place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, that you should find it out. So what should I do? 5 plus 1, which is 6. Correct. So question pattern ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? How to do the solution?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. ಬಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್. ಬಟ್ ಇವತ್ತು ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಐ ಗಿವ್, ಅದು ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಮೆನಿ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೋ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಯುವರ್ someone's mic is on mute. Okay, so this that example is very straightforward. Okay, but the other ones ivaga whatever I explained today ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾನು ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು ದ ರೂಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಇಟ್. Okay, so this is the question. I'll give the options. Option A 7, option B 21, option C 25, option D 44, option E 48. Okay, so these are the options. So illi rule enu andre, okay, first tell me what is 2 square?
4.
What is 3 square?
9.
Okay. 9. What is 4 square?
16.
Yes. 5 square?
25.
25. Next, illi what is the number? 3 square, which is 9, and 4 square. What is 4 square? 16. Okay. So now, what is 2 square plus 3 square?
24.
What is 2 square plus 3 square?
4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Okay. What is 4 square plus 5 square?
24, 26, 27, 28, 29, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41.
41. So, ivaga heli, what is the relation here? Relation ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ I should square both numbers. First number, second number square ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, and if I add the answer, I will get the number in the bracket. Correct? Now here there is
answer is C.
What is the
C.
answer?
C. 25.
Yes, 25. Option C is correct. Yes. So artha aita, what is the relation here? First both the numbers square ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, and you should just add the result. Now 4 plus 9 is 13, 16 plus 25 is 41. So similarly illi 3 square plus 4 square, 3 square plus 4 square, which is 9 plus 16, that is 25. So that's why option C 25 is correct. Artha aita, did everyone get this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll do the next one. Five, 7, 36, 11, 5, 64, 9, 1, and question mark. Options are option A 30, option B 50, option C 40, option D 25, option E 20. Okay, so this is the question. Okay, so I'll tell you what the rule is here. So first step will be, what is 5 plus 7?
Ma'am, 12.
12. What is 12 divided by 2?
6.
6. What is 6 square?
36.
36.
Okay.
36.
36. So illi 36 ide, here also I got 36. Same procedure. second step, second row ಅಲ್ಲಿ we will follow and we will check. Okay, answer ಬರ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? What is 11 plus 5?
16.
16.
16 divided by 8, 64.
16 divided by 2 is
8.
8.
8.
What is 8 square?
64.
64.
Match ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? Is it matching with the bracket answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So relation ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? What is the relation here? First two numbers na add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay. After that you should divide that sum by 2. After dividing you should square that number. That is the final answer. So now idu ನೀವು try ಮಾಡಿ and tell me what is the answer.
Ma'am, answer is D, 25.
5.
Answer is 25. Correct. 25 is the correct option. Let's check. 25 is correct. Okay, so first addition ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. What is 9 plus 1?
10. 10.
Next 10 divided by 2.
25.
10 divided by 2, not into 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. What is 5 square?
25.
25. So that's why 25 is the answer. Okay. Yes. So okay, we'll do the next one. So ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಇಫ್ ಐ ಸಿ ಇದು ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಇದು ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಆಸ್ ಸೂನ್ as you see the question ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಈ ರೂಲ್ ಇಟ್ ವೋಂಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ಹೌ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ನೋ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೀವು ಮೋರ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಮೋರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಸಮ್ವೇರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಇಟ್ ಔಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟಫ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಸೇ ಗೆಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೂಲ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇಟ್. That's why last class also I told you number series is very important for such exams. Okay, so yeah, we'll do the next question. Idu enadru doubt idya anyone? Did you understand? I think it is simple.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll do the next one. Option E, 56. So this is the question. Okay, so illi what is the relation andre illi numbers alla digits in the relation ide andre first number is 16. What are the digits? 1 and 6. So add 1 and 6. Next, illi what are the digits? 2 and 3. Add 2 and 3 and multiply these two. Tell me what is the answer. First bracket alli inide, you should do that. Correct? So what is 1 plus 6?
7.
7 into what is 2 plus 3? 5. What is the answer? 7 into 5? 35. Is it matching with the bracket number?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is matching. So same rule next row alli let us follow and check. First number alli what are the digits?
4 plus 6.
Okay.
Ma'am, answer is 45.
45. Okay, we'll check. Let's check. Okay, so what are the digits in the second number?
1 plus 3.
1 plus 3. 1 plus 3. Okay. So what is 4 plus 6?
10.
10 into 1 plus 3 is 4. So it is 40. Match ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, correct? Now follow the same procedure even in this one for the last third row.
48.
Okay, let's check. First, 2 plus 6 into 1 plus 5. 2 plus 6 is 8 into 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 into 8
48.
48. Next option? Option C.
48. C.
Yes. Option C, 48 is correct. Okay. ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Did everyone understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so ಈ ತರ ಓನ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂದಾನು ದೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಅ ರಿಲೇಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೀಸ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್. Okay, so everyone understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll do the next one. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ bracket is given in the middle number. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Options are option A 30, option B 36, option C 38, option D 51, option E 60. Okay, so this is the question. I'll explain what the rule is. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ second number is half of sum of first and last number. Andre, what is 26 plus 38? 26 plus 38.
64.
Andre, these two numbers.
64.
Okay, what is 64 by 2?
32.
32. Is it matching with the bracket number?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. It is matching 32. Next. What is 13 plus 25?
38.
38. 38 divided by 2?
19.
19.
Yes. So, idu match ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, correct? It is same as the bracket number. So, now tell me what is the final answer.
24 plus 36, 60.
130.
Yes. 30 is correct. Option A. So, how 24 plus 36 is 60? 60 divided by 2 is 30. So 30 is the final answer. Option A, 30. So everyone understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll do one last question, one more question. Okay, just a minute. Yeah. So 9. Okay, so this is the question. Options, it's fine, no need options. Direct again we can solve. So what is the rule here? I'll explain.
9 plus 9.
No, I'll tell you 1 minute. 1 minute, let me check the question. I think there is some mistake. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, so this rule is a little different, but it's fine. Just we'll try it. Okay. So first number, what is the square of first number? Andre, what is 9 square?
81.
81. Okay. 81 plus second number. So illi second number, Andre, which number should I write? What is the second number here? What is this?
9.
9. What is 81 plus 9?
90.
90.
90 divided by 10. What is it?
9.
9.
This
Nine.
is the rule. Okay, so what is the rule? First number square madbeku. Okay. For that, you should add the second number. Okay. And then divide it by 10. Then you will get the final answer. Let us check. The second row numbers in the, we'll check it. Okay. What is 12 square?
144.
144.
Good, 144. Next, what next step in madbeku?
Plus
46.
Yes, 144 plus 6. What is it?
150.
Okay. What is the next step?
150 divided by 2.
By 2, Allah. We should divide by 10 here.
10.
Yes. So what is 150 divided by 10?
15.
15. Match ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. So now tell me what is the answer?
15.
15.
Okay, 15 is correct. Next, final answer ಏನು?
14.
Ma'am, 20 answer.
Yes, answer is 20. So let us check. First, what is 14 square?
196.
Okay. Next step ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು?
Plus 4. Plus 4.
196 plus 4. What is it?
200.
Okay. Next step, what should I do?
200 by 10.
Okay. What is it? That is 20. So that's why 20 is the final answer. So that's it. It's just that ನೀವು rule relation ಏನು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ it is easy. So simple. Just ಈ 2 rows in the you should understand what the relation is. ಆಮೇಲೆ finding out the final answer is easy. So ಇದು ನೀವು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ you should practice many questions. Okay. So ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದ್ರೆ if you practice more and more questions, ಈ ತರ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ you will remember it well. Okay, so any doubt, anyone?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay then, that's it for today. We'll meet in the next class.